हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ सर। विल डिस्कस the exercise 8.1 of chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10th mathematics. Useful for the students of CBSE, for RBSE, and the students who are preparing for NTRC and for any other competitive exam. So here is the question number 1 on your screen. And the question is, question number 1, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is AB is 24 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. BC 7 centimeter. Then determine sine of A, cos of A, sine of C, cos of C. Students, first of all, we have to see that there are two sides, only two sides are given this in the right angle triangle. So we have to calculate the third one first. So we have to determine the third side AC here. So say in right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square using Pythagoras theorem. एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में अगर टू साइड्स दे रखा होता है तो थर्ड साइड को हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम की हेल्प से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो AB is equal to 24 whole square, BC is 7 whole square, it is given. 24 whole square is 576 and 7 square is 49. That is 625. So AC, the third side is square root of 625. That is 25 centimeter. So mark here, we here, that is 25 centimeter. हमें ये तीनों साइड यहाँ पे इस राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ABC में मिल चुके हैं. Now we have to consider angle A. So now for acute angle A. Acute angle A के लिए देखिए, first of all we have to determine the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side just opposite to the right angle. So hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Then perpendicular for acute angle A. Acute angle A is here. कोई भी जो एंगल गिवन है acute angle, उसके opposite side, उसके सामने वाली साइड perpendicular होती है. So here BC means 7 centimeter will be the perpendicular, and the remaining third side is base. So remaining third side base is AB, that is 24 centimeter for acute angle A. Now we know sine A. First part is sine A into sine is what? Sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So that is 7 upon 25 answer. And cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse, means cos is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. So base here is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. And this is the answer of the very first part. Sine A is equal to 7 upon 25 and cos A is 24 upon 5. Centimeter, centimeter cancelled. And now for acute angle means C for the second part. You see here, that is sine C and cos C. So now, for acute angle C, first we determine hypotenuse, that is the side just opposite to 90 degree, that is 25 centimeter. AC is the hypotenuse, and that is 25 centimeter. देन परपेंडिकुलर वो साइड होती है जो एंगल हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं उसके ऑपोजिट साइड, उसके सामने वाली साइड. तो देखिए अपोज एंगल वी कंसीडरिंग एंगल सी, दैट इज एक्यूट एंगल, और उसके सामने वाला साइड है ए बी. सो ए बी विल बी परपेंडिकुलर एंड परपेंडिकुलर विल बी 24 centimeter, and the remaining third side is base, so that is AC, and that is AB, and the third side is base, that is 7 centimeter. Now we come to the second part of it, that is cos C. Cos means base upon hypotenuse, so that is 7 upon 25 answer. And sin C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 24 upon 25, because the centimeter will be cancelled out. So this is the answer of this question. Cos C will be 7 upon 25 and sin C will be 24 upon 25. Next question number 2 of exercise 8.1 is on your screen. In this question, it is given, in the figure is given, हमें figure दे रखा है और ये पूछा है कि what is the value of tan P minus cot R. हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि only two sides are given, P, Q and R. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate first the third side. So QR is equal to, that is 13 square minus 12 square. Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, you can say. So that is 169 minus 144. That is 25. So that is 5 centimeter. So in place of QR, we can write 5 centimeter. Now, for acute angle P, first we determine perpendicular, then we determine hypotenuse, and then base. क्या होता है perpendicular? Here the angle is acute angle is P and acute angle is P here, this. The side just opposite to the angle under consideration. जो एंगल जिसके लिए हम sin of A, cos of A, tan of A लेते हैं, वो एंगल यहाँ पे P है और उसके सामने वाली साइड QR है. So here perpendicular for acute angle P is QR, and that is 5 centimeter. Hypotenuse is always the side just opposite to 90 degree. ये 90 degree क्यों है? उसके opposite side ये PR है. That is hypotenuse. That is PR. That is 13 centimeter. And the remaining third side is base. So PQ is base. That is 12 centimeter. But this is for the acute angle P. Therefore, tan P, tan means perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base is 5 upon 12. Now for acute angle R. For acute angle R, we consider here. First we determine perpendicular, then hypotenuse, then base. जो एंगल कंसिडर करते हैं यहाँ पे एक्यूट एंगल आर कंसिडर किया, उसके जस्ट अपोजिट साइड मींस पी क्यू विल बी the perpendicular. This will be perpendicular. So perpendicular is PQ and that is 12 centimeter. Hypotenuse is the side just opposite to 90 degree. ये जो 90 degree angle है उसके opposite side, उसके सामने वाले side, that is PR, that is 13 सेंटीमीटर. एक्यूट एंगल चेंज होने से हाइपोटेन्यूज चेंज नहीं होता, बेस और परपेंडिकुलर चेंज हो जाते हैं. And the third side is base, the remaining third side is base. So the QR is the base, that is 5 centimeter. QR is 5 centimeter. And now quote R. Quote R means quote of angle R, that is base upon perpendicular from acute angle R. So base is 5 and perpendicular is 12. So here cot P is 5 by 12. Cot R is also 5 by 12. Sorry, tan P is 5 by 12. Cot R is 5 by 12. So tan P minus cot R. Therefore, tan of P minus cot of R, that is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that is 0. Answer. Next question number 3 of exercise 8.1 is on your screen. It is given sin A is equal to 3 upon 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. We know sin A for acute angle A, it is given sin A is 3 upon 4. Sin A means perpendicular upon hypotenuse is 3 upon 4. So let perpendicular is 3 unit, then hypotenuse will be 4k unit. So using Pythagoras theorem, base is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, that is 4k square minus 3k square. That is, you can write base is equal to 16k square minus 9k square, that is 7k square, or we can say is root 7 and k. Thus, student, we have got the perpendicular for acute angle A, for hypotenuse, that is 4k for acute angle A, and square root of 7, that is base. Now, cos A. Cos A, cos means base upon hypotenuse. Base is root 7k and hypotenuse is 4k. K and k cancel. So root 7 upon 4 answer. That is the value of cos A. And sin A. Sin means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is 3k and hypotenuse is 4k. So we can write here 3k upon 4k, k and k cancel. That is 3 by 4. So here the value of sin A is 3 by 4 and the value of tan A, yes, tan A tan A is perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is 3k and base is equal to 4k. Sorry, base is equal to root 7k. So we can write 3k upon root 7k. K and k cancel. So that is 3 upon root 7. So we can say that sine A, sorry, cos A, I can write here. Cos A is equal to that is root 7 by 4 and tan A is equal to 3 upon root 7. That is the answer of this question. साइन ए यहाँ पे हमने इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा नहीं है, हमने ऐसे ही सोल्व कर दिया इसको. The value of sine A is not asked in this question. The next question on your screen. Yes. It is given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. So we can write cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. For acute angle A, we know cot means base upon perpendicular is 8 by 15. So using late, so late base is equal to 8k unit. Therefore, perpendicular will be 15k unit. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. We can say that the square of the longest side means hypotenuse is equal to the square of the remaining two sides. That is 15 a whole square plus 8k whole square. 15 ja 225k square plus 64k square. That is 289k square. 17 is 189. So we can write 17k. Therefore, base is equal to 8k. Perpendicular is 15k. And hypotenuse is 17k for the acute angle A. Now sin A. Now, अब हमारे लिए sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 15k and hypotenuse is 17k. So write 15k upon 17k. K and k cancel. That is 15 upon 17. Answer. That is the value of sin A. And the second value is sec A. Sec A is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is 17k and base is 8k. So 17k upon 8k, k and k cancel. That is 17 upon A, 8 answer. So that's all for this question. Sin A will be 15 by 7 and sin A is 15 by 7 and sec A is 17 by 8 answer of this question. Next question on your screen. Given sec theta, theta means this is written as THEITA और you can write theta. ये इस तरह से प्रोनाउंस होता है थीटा. For acute angle, we know that for acute angle theta, sec theta is given 13/12. So we know sec theta means hypotenuse upon base, that their ratio is 13/12. So let hypotenuse be 13K unit, then base will be 12K unit. Using Pythagoras theorem, we know that perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So that is 13K whole square minus 12K whole square, that is 169 minus 144K square, that is also K square. 169 minus 144, that is 25K square. The perpendicular will be square root of 25K square, that is 5K. So we can say that perpendicular is 5K, base is 12K, and hypotenuse is 13K for the acute angle theta. अब हमें सारे के सारे trigonometric ratios find out करने हैं using this. So now you can write here that number one, first sine theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so that is 5K upon 13K, K and K cancel, that is 5 upon 13, answer. Number two, cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 12K and hypotenuse is 13K. 12K upon 13K, that is 12 upon 13, answer. Third is reciprocal of this tan theta, means that is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 5K and base is 12K. So 5K upon 12K, K and K cancel, that is 5/2, answer. And one, we have got sine cos 10. And then it is, I'm writing the side. Next is cos theta. Cos theta is actually, you can write into with दो तरीके से आप लिख सकते हैं उसको. Reciprocal of means sine भी लिख सकते हैं. So you can write sine is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is 13 upon 5, answer. This is fourth. And fifth is, you can write cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of 10, or you can write means base upon perpendicular, that is 12K upon 5K, K and K cancel, that is 12/5, answer. So sine theta is equal to 5/13, cos theta is 12/13, and tan theta is 5/12, and cosec theta is 13/5, and cot theta is 12/5, answer. 1:sec theta is already given, so we need not write it. Sec theta पहले से ही क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है. There are total 6 trigonometric ratios. 1 trigonometric ratio is already given. तो हमें 6 में से एक given है, तो 5 ही फाइंड आउट करना है. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, cot, और ये इनका वैल्यू आपके स्क्रीन पे. Now नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. दिस इज की यस, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और एनसीईआरटी का एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 मैं किसी एक अलग जो क्लास होगी या वीडियो होगा उसमें आपको बताऊंगा. आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस क्वेश्चन एंड एग्जाम्पल 2 ऑफ एनसीईआरटी इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो और नेक्स्ट क्लास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. इट इज गिवन cot थीटा इज 7/8. देखिए cot थीटा 7/8 गिवन है, तो ये हो गया cot थीटा इज 7/8 means base upon perpendicular is 7/8. So we can say if suppose base is equal to 7k, therefore perpendicular will be 8k. एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में 3 साइड्स होती है परपेंडिकुलर बेस, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज को भी हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. सो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, हाइपोटेन्यूज विल बी 7k स्क्वायर प्लस 8k स्क्वायर, that is 7 7 जा 49 k स्क्वायर प्लस 8 8 जा 64 k स्क्वायर. The addition is 113 k square. This can be written as 113k. So perpendicular base is 7k, perpendicular is 8k, and hypotenuse is square root of 113k. ये हमारे पास 3 वैल्यू यहाँ पे ये देखिए, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Now 1 plus sin theta minus upon into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. We can write here 1 plus sin theta means 1. First we calculate the value of sin theta. We know sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 8 upon 113. See here. Perpendicular is 8 and hypotenuse is 1 square root of 113, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base here is 7k and hypotenuse is square root of 113k. K and k cancel, that is 7 upon square root of 13. Yes. हमने साइन थीटा और कोस थीटा दोनों का ही वैल्यू पता कर लिया है. नाउ देखिए 1 प्लस फर्स्ट पार्ट 1 प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस कोस थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस कोस थीटा. इनकी वैल्यू को हमें रिप्लेस करना होगा. साइन थीटा इज 1 अपॉन 8 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 113 एंड कोस थीटा इज 7 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 113. सो 1 प्लस 8 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 113, 1 माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 113 divided by cos theta is 1 plus 7 upon square root of 113, and that is 1 minus 7 upon square root of 113. Using the formula a plus b, a minus b, further we can write here, yes, यस, देखिए इनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला 1 a, यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So this can be written as 1 minus 8 whole square upon square root of 113 whole square divided by 1 minus 7 whole square upon square root of 113 whole square. That is 1 minus 64 upon 113, 1 minus 49 upon 113. On further simplification, you will find it. Can I do it directly? क्या मैं इसको directly कर दूं? Then it will be means 49 upon 113. Can I write it? So that is 113 minus 64, 113 minus 49. That will be 49 upon 64 answer. So it means the answer of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus sine theta, that is 49 upon 130, sorry. That will be 100. Yes, so the value will be 49 upon 64, and that is the correct answer for 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now, second part is cot square theta. Cot means base upon perpendicular whole square. So we can say base here is 7 and perpendicular is, can I remove this? For the second part, here, yes, cot square theta is cot theta whole square, means base upon perpendicular whole square. So base upon perpendicular is 7k upon 8k whole square. That is 7k square, sorry, 7k square, that is 49. So that is 49k square upon 64k square, k square cancel. That is 49 upon 64 answer. So this is the answer of the second part of this question. And this is question number 7 of exercise 8.1, class 10th, chapter 8, that is introduction to trigonometry. Next question on your screen, it is given and then we have to verify. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, then we know that it is given cot A is 4 by 3. It is given. And then we know that cot is base upon perpendicular is 4 by 3 for the acute angle A. So let base is equal to 4k unit, then perpendicular will be 3k unit. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out hypotenuse is equal to 4k square plus 3k square, that is 16k square plus 9k square that is 25k square. So we can write 5k. So base is equal to 4k, then perpendicular is 3k, and hypotenuse is 5k. ये एक्यूट एंगल ए के लिए हमें परपेंडिकुलर बेस और हाइपोटेन्यूज हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. नाउ इट इज tan A. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ tan A हियर? tan A क्या होगा? देखिए, वी नो tan A is reciprocal of cot A. So that is 3/4. tan A cot A का रेसिप्रोकल होता है. cot A is 4/3. So tan A will be 3/4. So now left hand side. Left hand side is written 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square. Here, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. What is the value of tan A? That is 3/4. So that is 1 minus 3/4 whole square divided by 1, that is 3/4 whole square. On further simplification, that is 9/16 divided by 1 plus 9/16. That is 16 minus 9. Can you simplify it further? So that is that will be 16 minus 9, that is 7/6, 7/16 divided by 25/16. So 16 and 16 cancel. That is 7/20. That is left hand side of this. Means 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is 7/25. Now we have to verify that equal to cos square A minus sin square. ये हमें इसके लिए वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा. अब हमें पता है बेस इज 4k and perpendicular is 3k and hypotenuse is 5k. Cos is equal to cos square A minus sin square. Now right hand side. So right hand side is what? You have to check it out. Now right hand side. Right hand side is cos square A means minus sin square A base upon hypotenuse square minus perpendicular upon hypotenuse square. Base is 4/5 whole square minus 3/5 whole square. That is 16/25 minus 9/25. That is 7/25. So yes, left hand side was the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Left hand side was 7/25, and the right hand side is also 25. So yes, we say yes. Tan 3 cot A plus 4 will be equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. That will be equal to cos square A minus sin square. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's all for this question. And now the next question, question number 9 on your screen. In triangle ABC, right angle at A. एक ट्राइंगल है जो A पे राइट एंगल बनाता है. देखिए, इफ tan A ABC ट्राइंगल है और ये ट्राइंगल बनाएगा यहाँ पे B पे. तो yes, so in triangle ABC, right angle at B, this B is 90 degree. tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan A means for acute angle A, we can write here for acute angle A. Tan A is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BC and base is AB. You know, the side just opposite to the angle under consideration, angle A is under consideration, so base BC will be base for acute angle A. Acute angle A के लिए base BC होगा. Yes. So that is 1 upon root 3. Yes. So let BC is equal to 1K. Then means AB will be root 3K. Here you see that is 1K. Perpendicular is 1K. Then base is equal to root 3K. AB is base. कैसे पता चला? We know that the side just opposite to 90, the angle under consideration is perpendicular. यहाँ पे हम acute angle A consider कर रहे हैं, उसके सामने वाला side BC perpendicular होगा. That will be perpendicular for acute angle A. And AC is hypotenuse, then AB is base, so base AB is base here. Perpendicular upon base दे रखा है 1 upon root 3. If perpendicular is 1K, then base will be root 3K. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the remaining third side AC hypotenuse. So we can say that AC, that will be square root of 1K square plus root 3K square, that is K square, 1K square plus 3K square, that is 4K square, we can write that is 2K. So here the hypotenuse is AC is 2K. Yes. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम परपेंडिकुलर बेस और हाइपोटेन्यूज जो बता रहे हैं अभी, ये बता रहे हैं हम एक्यूट एंगल ए के लिए, सी के लिए नहीं, यहाँ पे सी भी है. So now, after getting the three values, we have to find sine A. So for acute angle A, perpendicular is BC, that is 1K. Hypotenuse is AC, that is 2K. Base is AB, that is square root of 3K. ये for acute angle के लिए A के लिए होगा. And for acute angle C, देखिए ये C है यहाँ पे, तो हमें C के लिए फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. परपेंडिकुलर is AB, that is root 3K. Hypotenuse is AC, that is twice of K. And base, that is BC, is equal to 1. हमने देखा कि जो भी हम एक्यूट एंगल कंसीडर करते हैं उसके सामने वाला साइड परपेंडिकुलर होता है. So for acute angle C, perpendicular is AB, base is BC, that is 1K, and hypotenuse is 2K. Now we need to write the values of sine A and K, means cos A. First part is, I have to remove this. So for so now sine A, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1K, hypotenuse is 2K, so 1 upon 2. Cos A, for acute angle A, for this, that is base upon hypotenuse, that is root 3 upon 2. And now for acute angle C, for acute angle C, sine cos A or sine A is there, sine C. Sine C is this, for acute angle this. इसके लिए perpendicular base upon hypotenuse ये acute angle C के लिए और ये acute angle A के लिए. Sine C is perpendicular upon, hypotenuse. That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3k, means root 3 upon hypotenuse is 2. And cos C, that is base upon hypotenuse. Cos C is base upon hypotenuse for acute angle C. Base is 1k and hypotenuse is 2k. K and k cancel, that is 1 by 2. अब हम इसकी वैल्यू मींस sin A 1 by 2, cos A that is means root 3 by 2, sin C that is root 3 by 2 and cos C that is 1 by 2 हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So now the first part. First part is, अब हम first part की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So first part is sin A into cos C my plus cos A into sin C. This is first part. Sin A, you put the value that is 1 by 2. Cos C, that is 1 by 2. Cos A, that is root 3 by 2. Sin C, that is root 3 by 2. देखिए, cos A 1 by 2. Cos A, that is root 3 by 2. Sin C, that is root 3 by 2. Cos C, that is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 1. Answer. So answer of the very first part is 1. Now for the second part. Second part is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Put the value of cos A, sin C. Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. And cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A is 1 by 2 and sin C is root 3 by 2. So when these are the same numbers, so these cancel and the answer is 0. The answer of the second part is 0. That's all for this question. And now the next question for you. That is question number 10 on your screen. Please read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. ये आपका right angle है, 90 degree का angle है. PR plus QR, that is 25 centimeter. PQ is given 5 centimeter. So here PQ is 5 centimeter. Yes. And PR plus PQ, it is given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Let QR is equal to X centimeter. This is X centimeter. Yeah. So we know that in place PR plus X will be 25. So PR will be 25 minus X सेंटीमीटर. पहले हमें तीनों साइड फाइंड आउट करनी होगी. सो ये हमारा है 25 minus X centimeter. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we calculate we use the method that 5 square plus X square is equal to means 25 minus X square. Using here, because it is a right angle triangle, that PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So this is 25 plus X square (625 minus 50X plus X square). X square cancel, and 50X is equal to 6 of 50. So X is equal to 650 upon 50, that is 13. So PR, therefore PR, that is X centimeter, that is 13 centimeter. So, sorry, that is 13 centimeter. Sorry students, here it will be not 650. This will be means when we change this 625 minus 25, so this will be 625 minus 25, that will be 600. So 50X is equal to 600. X will be 600 upon 50, that is 12. So yes, I'm sorry for that, my mistake. So now X is equal to 12 centimeters. So the value of PR, therefore PR is 25 minus X, 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeters. And QR, that is X, that is 12 centimeters. तो इस तरह से हमने इसका जो तीनों साइड है इस राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का PQR में, PR is 13 centimeter and QR is means that is 12 centimeter, and this is now 13 centimeter and PQ is 5 cm. तीनों साइड हमने फाइंड आउट कर ली. PR is 5 centimeter, QR is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. I'll have to remove this. मुझे ये remove करना होगा because I don't have enough space here. So yes, now we need sin P, cos P and tan P. अब हमें देखना पड़ेगा now for acute angle P, perpendicular is QR, that is 12 centimeter. This because the side just opposite to the angle under consideration is perpendicular. हमें angle P consider करते हैं तो उसके सामने वाला साइड QR perpendicular होगा और that is 12 centimeter. The hypotenuse is the just side opposite to 90 degree. Here this is PR, that is 13 centimeter. And the remaining third side is base, so that is 5 centimeter. Now see here, now sin P. Sine P means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 12 upon 13. Answer. Perpendicular is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. So sine P is that will be 12 upon 13. Cos P. Cos P, cos means base upon hypotenuse. Base is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So that is 5 upon 13. Answer. And tan P. Tan P is perpendicular upon base and perpendicular upon base, that is 12 upon 5. Answer. So that's all for this question. Yes. Next question on your screen. Yes, very simple. Question number 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1. It is always less than 1 or not? No, this is false. First part is false. Because it is not necessary that the ratio of that is perpendicular upon base, that is tan theta. Tan theta is always, the ratio is given by perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular और base में किसी भी right angle triangle में, yes, the hypotenuse and perpendicular, base and perpendicular can be equal. The perpendicular can be greater than the base and the base can be greater than the perpendicular. अगर perpendicular base से ज्यादा होता है तो the value will be greater than 1. If base is greater than perpendicular, then the value can be less than 1. So ये true नहीं है, यहाँ less than 1 हो सकता है अगर base आपका perpendicular से छोटा हो. If the base is smaller than perpendicular, then yes, it can be greater. But if the perpendicular is greater than the base, it can be greater than 1. If the base is greater than perpendicular, it can be less than 1. So both the cases are true. So यहाँ पे केवल एक ही क्वेश्चन दे रखा है always. So this is not true. It is always not true. Number 1. Second part. Second part of this, see. See. Sec A is 12 by 15. We know that sec theta or the value of sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. We know that the value of hypotenuse is always greater than it is always greater than 1. So yes, it is true. Sec A can be 12 upon 15. So second part is true. That is true. किसी वैल्यू के लिए ये हाइपोटेन्यूज हमेशा ही परपेंडिकुलर से ग्रेटर होता है. Yes, because we consider here a right angle triangle. So that part is true. First is false. Second is true. Yes. The cos A is the abbreviation, is short form used for the cosecant. No, कोस का जो होता है शॉर्ट फॉर्म वो होता है कोसाइन से. कोसाइन से बना है हमारा कोस. सो दैट इज फॉल्स. COSIN. And the fifth is, so that is means false. Cot A, the fourth part is, here fourth part is cot A is the product of cot and A. No. Cot A is not the product. It is actually, it is not like that. We cannot write, हम लिख नहीं सकते. Cot A is not equal to cot into A. Yes, it is cot of angle A. ये ट्रू रही है. cot A और ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता है. We write cot A as cot. That is not true. That is wrong. But this is true. And क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, साइन थीटा इज 4 upon 3. क्या ये ट्रू है? देखिए, साइन थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. And we know hypotenuse is always greater than perpendicular. Here hypotenuse is smaller than perpendicular, means denominator is less than numerator. So this is not possible and we can say this is false. So here in these questions, fifth part is for means false, fourth is also false, that is false, this is false, and the third is that is also false, and second is we already have discussed 12 upon 5, that can be true. So that's all for this exercise 8.1 student. Thank you very much. Thanks.